Hello students, today we are going to discuss Unit 9 of the 10th Standard SS, in which we will discuss the topic wildlife is on the verge of the extinction. Actually, nowadays, as we know that we have wildlife diversity in India, but unfortunately, day by day, so many problems are occurred in the wildlife because nowadays approximately 15 lakh species of the animals and birds in the world, out of 81,251 species found only in India. So we are the 12th as far as the biodiversity is concerned. But in this biodiversity there is problem. Actually, there were more tigers since in the beginning of the 20th century. At that time, tigers were seen in the forest of Eider, Ambaji, Danta, and today tigers are totally extinct in Gujarat. But fortunately, before a few months, only a tiger, was seen nearby the forest. That is a good sign. Cheetah is totally extinct from the Indian forest. You will not find any cheetah in India. So cheetah is also extinct from Indian forest. Many bird species which were easily seen in Indian forest are now hardly seen. Some of them like vulture, duck with pink throat, cranes, owls are verge of extinction. Chirotro bird, once widespread in Arunachal of northeast, is nowadays not seen. There is also a danger of survival to the alligators of the fresh waters of the rivers and Ganga dolphin. Even the dolphin nearby the sea of the Goa state is day by day decreasing. The number of sea turtle approaching the coast of Odisha and Gujarat is constantly decreasing. Waterfowls, once found frequently in Narmada, nowadays is not seen. Anyone Tapi, Mahi, Sabarmati river of Gujarat is totally waterfowl extinct, and thus many forest animals of the world are on the verge of extinction today. Hello students, today we are going to discuss part 3 of the ninth unit of 10th standard SS. The title is Forest and Wildlife. Here we will discuss which are the reasons for the destruction of the wildlife. Actually, due to human interference, everywhere human is responsible for each and every destruction, and because of human interference in grassland and also in watershed area of the forest, the natural habitat of the wild animals is put in danger. Destruction of the forest is the main reason responsible for natural imbalance. Its final impact is the reduction in the number of wild animal. Hunting the animal is to obtain their hair, skin, bones, horns, and nails is also responsible, because most of the people are using the hair of the most of the animal in their personal use. Even the skin, for example, skin of the tiger, lion, are being used, since you might have seen in the so many movies during the time of the king and the emperor. They all went for hunting, and they take out the skin of the tiger and they will put for their comforts. Even the some of the bones of the animals are also useful. Even the horns are also useful, and most of the cosmetic items are also being made from the animals. So cosmetic industries like for example nail polish is also used for that using some of the animals. The overexploitation of the forest made by the human because of his greed motives such as roads, multipurpose project, mining minerals, expansion of the new settlements, cities, etc. Because the human are interested anyhow. They want their development for the sake of the animals. That is why they are going to drive away from their natural habitat because they want to establish the multi-purpose project, even the mining minerals, and because of the new settlements to be expanded in the forest, they are also cutting down the forest. Forest lands are being encroached for grass, fuels, and even for the grazing. The forest fire engulfs many species because many people want forest fire to only for enjoyment, and such type of the enjoyment sometimes when this type of the fire will spread out in the forest, it will engulf, it will destroy so many species. When the forest fire occurs at the time of the rearing of the young ones, the birds or hatching the eggs, it creates a negative impact on the number of the wild animals due to the loss of their natural habitat. Many animals without any abode come into conflict with the man and sometimes even lose their lives. Hunting to procure biomedicine or things which make perfume also bring the species on the verge of the extinction. So even we are using the perfumes, deodorant, so many things are also being made from the animals. So we should try to at least minimize the use of all these things. Hello students, today we are going to discuss and we will discuss the projects for the wildlife protection, because in the earlier part we had already discussed the remedies for the forest conservation, even the wildlife diversity and wildlife on the extinction, and even the reason for the destruction of the wildlife. Now it is necessary to know about the various projects of the wildlife protection. Some of the schemes are implemented in India to protect the wildlife, and under this scheme some of the projects are already started for those species which are in danger, which are likely to be extinct in the near future. As per one estimate, there were more than 40,000 tigers in India in the 20th century in the beginning. But unfortunately nowadays tigers are decreasing. For that government has implemented the tiger project, and due to unrestricted illegal hunting and deforestation, there was a big danger for the extinction of the tiger. In such circumstances, this project to save tiger was started in 1971. Again I repeat, Project Tiger was started in 1971. Till now, this project is implemented in 44 regions. Even today, in the 44 regions, it has been implemented. And under this project, a series of steps were taken to keep their natural habitat protected and to maintain ecological balance at the national level. So in the tiger project, you will have to just memorize 40,000 tigers in the early 20th century, but because of the deforestation and hunting, nowadays number are decreased. This project was implemented in 1971 and today in 44 regions it is working, and because of this project nowadays at least tigers are going to be saved. And the second project is Elephant Project, and this project has been started in 1992. Its main objective, obviously, to save the elephants, to provide the elephants the protective in their natural habitats and protect habitats and their migratory corridors. Today, there are 26 protection zone for the elephants in the country. After the implementation of this project, there has been an increase in the number of the elephants in the forest. Besides these projects, also work for the maintenance of the domesticated elephant. Now the third one, Project Rhino or Rhino Project. This project is created for the protection of the one-horned rhino of India. In India, most of the rhinos are found in Assam state. Again, rhino are found in Assam state. There are also found in less number in Sundarban Delta of the West Bengal. According to the strategy of the Rhino Vision 2020, an increase in the number of the rhino is targeted 3,000. So in Vision 2020, the target to increase at 3,000. And now next project is the Crocodile Project. Even this species of the alligator is also nowadays day by day is on the verge of the extinction, because in the decade of the 1970 compared to today, alligators are also decreasing. So government has also taken this project in their hand. Fifth one is the Vulture Project. Vulture is the worker. Without it, it is not possible the cleanliness. So it is the worker of the cleanliness. It also eats and meats of the dead animal. If the vulture is not there, then definitely you will find everywhere dead bodies of the most of the animals. Due to the unusual decrease in its number, this project was started in 2004. And there are approximately 9 subspecies of the vulture in India. Next project is the Snow Leopard Project. This species, which is found at the higher altitude, approximately more than 3,000 meters in the Himalaya, where snow tiger you will find. This project was started in 2000 with the purpose to increase the knowledge about the snow tiger among the local people, so the people would aware to protect the snow tiger. Beside this, other projects which are operational including Kashmiri Hangul project, Red Panda project, Manipur Tamil project for the special species of the deer found in the Manipur, Ganga Dolphin project and Ganga Brahmaputra River project, etc. So you will have to memorize all these projects, even regarding the year in which these projects are implemented, you will have to memorize.